welcome back. Thank you so much for coming and watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. And to all my loyal viewers, thank you so much. Please click the thumbs up button for me. And I'm very happy to have you all. I have for you today my GlitzGlam box. This is how it comes. This is my second box. I had no idea it comes this early in the month. Last month I didn't subscribe until I think it was like it was already past the first week of the month, so I didn't know it would come this soon, but it says on here that they do ship out the first week of the month, so that, yes, it says ensuring expert tracking of your delivery, fits in any budget, and they have new brands, affordable, new and upcoming brands, showcasing small businesses, beauty owners who have the same glitter obsession as us. So, there's that. Let me see. It's $15 a month. From what I have been told and what I've seen, that they send pretty much every month. You get one glitter and one lash, the eyelashes, and then 2 or 3 other products. So, I mean, it might not be the kind of box you want if you don't like lashes. I don't really wear lashes very often. I'm still learning, and I keep thinking maybe I'm getting a little too old for lashes, but I'm throwing caution to the wind and deciding to be who I want to be, regardless of what people think. So this month, let's see. Okay, that tells the things. It has the cute little ice cream cones. I wanted to tell you all, we went out. I had a doctor's appointment today, and I came home, and then I waited till they got my prescriptions ready, and then I took my 8-year-old, and we went to pick my prescriptions up, and I picked him up an ice cream cone while we were out. And I'm telling him all the time, we don't litter. If you see litter, stop and pick it up and put it where it belongs, because that's just, we don't want to make our world ugly. And litter, I have explained to him, I've showed him videos about how plastics and litter and things can harm our animals, and we don't want that to happen. So he got through with his ice cream cone about halfway down, and he threw it out the window. And he said, "Don't worry, Mom, I took the paper off of it before I threw it out the window so we won't litter." And I thought some animal might want to eat my ice cream. And I thought that was so sweet that he knew, remembered, don't throw paper out because it could harm our animals. But he wanted to throw the rest of his ice cream cone out in case an animal wanted to eat it, but took the paper off so that it wouldn't harm the animal. He's such a sweet boy. But this is, look how cool that is. It's shaped like an ice cream cone. I almost don't want to use those just because that is just so adorable. And I mean, it is I think that they might be a little bit too much for me, seeing that I don't really wear false eyelashes very often, and when I do wear them, I wear more natural ones. But look at that. That is just so pretty. I think I'm just going to put this on my vanity or something, or somehow put it on my wall when I get my makeup room finished, and put this up on my wall somehow, because that is just so adorable. And ice cream lashes retails for $8.99. And then we have this package here wrapped up of things. And here's the glitter for the month. This really cute little package here. I got the glitter last month, but again, it's so pretty. I almost wanted to just set it up. And last month it was, I think, shaped like a diamond. And the packaging is just so cute. That would be really cute setting on the vanity. Let's see. It says, apply a small amount of adhesive on desired area. Add glitter on top of the adhesive with finger or makeup brush. Proceed with caution when applying to an eye area. Okay. This is a shade Tequila Sunrise. That's what they call that. And let's see. It retails for $9.99. Yeah, that retails for $9.99. Again, this box is $15. I think I will let one of my ipsy bags. I usually do at least two ipsy bags and give things away, and to show y'all the two, one against the other, of what, you know, how I did last month. And when I get duplicates of things, I have done this for ever since I've gotten subscription bags, that I have, there's young girls that I know just getting started, and I put things together and give to people who, the younger girls who don't have access to pretty much anything. So I put everything that I won't use together, or any kind of anything that I think they might like together, and give to them. And I put them in the little ipsy bags most of the time, so they have the little bag and some things in there from any of my boxes. If y'all remember right, I told y'all I had a house fire and lost everything except what I had on and a few makeup products in my purse. So this is how I found my love of bags, of the beauty subscriptions, is that I started the beauty subscriptions to start replacing items that I had lost. And so anything I don't need, I give to people or younger girls who will use it. And the next thing I got is this. This retails for, this retails for $28. It says Vermilion Cosmetics. I've never heard of it. It has a diamond matte lipstick and a gloss topper, 18 to 24 hour wear time. Okay, I don't think I've ever used a lipstick or lip gloss that has that kind of wear time, but it's a very light shade. I still have the shade on me from doing the test tube beauty I just got through with. There's that. That's actually pretty. It kind of shows up better than I thought. I don't know how hard it'll be to get off if it's got an 18-hour wear time. And then of course that is just a clear, that's a brush. Yeah, that's a brush. That's not a doe foot, I don't think. Yeah, that's a brush. Okay, that's a brush. And the last item we have is a Buzzed In Blushed palette. It says it retails for $9.99. Rose All Day or Cosmo Kind of Night blush and highlight palette, buildable glam. And it comes in this really cute packaging. I just love packaging. I'm guilty of buying things just because the packaging is just so cute that I want to put it on my shelf and look at it. But there is the really pretty colors. Let's see here. I'll show you all some of these colors. Here's the colors. This is the third one over. This one here. This is the more that's actually a blush color. This one right here. How my fingers keep moving right here. And then this one is, I did it backwards, is this one here. And then the pink is this one right, the end one right there. So that's a very cute palette. I will have to use that the next time I put makeup on and either do a video to show you all or at least let you know that that's what I have on so you can see. This is Buzzed In Blushed. I don't know if you can see or not that it has, yeah, there you can. It has the names of the colors on the outside here. It's really cute packaging. So again, for $15, got this. That's valued at $9.99. This that they say is valued at $28. This glitter, which is valued at $9.99. And this really cute, adorable ice cream cone that is valued at $9.99. I think this is worth $15. What do y'all think? I mean, Ipsy's 12, and you get five samples or deluxe sizes. This one I got 4, but that's a full size. That is a full size, and I would think lashes would be considered a full size. I even think this might be considered, I wouldn't consider it a full size, but at a $9.99 value, it's probably considered full size. And it is adorable. So got those 4 items for $15. I think that's worth it, especially if you do Ipsy, and I mean Ipsy is $12 for the, I mean you do get the bag too for Ipsy, so I guess it's what you really like or not. I just am ready for something a little different because Ipsy is the first subscription bag I ever got, and I'm just ready to try a few others. But I'm not going to give it up completely. I like their Plus and their Ultimate, but I'm going to be switching those up too because I really wasn't happy with what I got this month in either, and I pretty much got them just to show y'all this month because I really wasn't happy with the spoilers either. And I did add on, which I'll show y'all when stuff comes, because I added on a few things that I had wanted in my bag but didn't get. And I really didn't want to buy the bags and then have to pay money to add on too. So that was the GlitzGlam bag. It always, well, the 2 months I've got it, it comes in this, like an Ipsy bag basically. The Ipsy bags are like this, only they're pink. So that is that. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the thumbs up button. I love you guys. You really have no idea how much it means to me to make the friends that I've made here so far, how much I love to read the comments, and let me know what y'all are doing. Do you have any plans this week? We went out Sunday for the first time out of quarantine, and I took my little one to my mom's house and let him play with a few other kids in the pool, and it was our first time since we went into quarantine in the 1st of March. It was the first time that we've went out, but he had to have a break. He was starting to get stir crazy, and I don't blame him. I did make sure no one was running a fever, and I did make sure he stayed his distance for the most part. I mean, that's kind of hard to do when kids are playing in the pool, but I mean, you're in the pool and you're in water with chlorine, you're probably not going to really spread things too much, I wouldn't think. And I did make sure he stayed sanitized, and like I said, I did make sure the kids were not running any fever. And I couldn't tell him no. He's really getting stir crazy, and he's been such a good boy through all of this. But thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to see about, since I'm doing these, I'm going to go see what else I have to make a video so I can get them all up so I can get them downloading for you. But thank you all so much. I love you guys. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.